Ta-da! Okay, we're back in the vending machine corner. This is the same one as before, but there were a couple of other things I wanted to add. Let's see, first of all, see this sign over here? It says they're conserving energy, so the vending machine isn't illuminated. It's a kind of an eco measure. And then over here, this is for handicapped people, and the numbers are the top row of drinks that you couldn't reach from a wheelchair. So instead, like if you want number 6, then you just use the number right there. So moving along, this one, if you remember from before, you can choose like if you want black coffee or sugar or cream or sugar and cream. What I didn't mention before is these buttons. So this is how thick your coffee is, and this is like the heat, how hot your coffee is. This is the amount of cream, amount of sugar. So actually you can be really specific with your coffee. I just turned on. So let's try it out. Get my change here. Okay, 100 yen, going in. Okay, let's see. I'm going to get, let's go for the Brazil blend. Okay, so first, I've got my options over here. These are like the default. So let's say I want regular thickness, regular heat, but I want less sugar. Actually, let's make it strong. Strong coffee with less sugar. And then go for sugar and cream. Then we have a little countdown there. Incidentally, recycling is over here. You'll see it's pretty specific. The first one is for cans and glass bottles. The second one is for paper cups, like the kind that comes out of this machine. Ta-doo! And then plastic bottles, like the kind you get out of most vending machines. And then again for the cans and bottles. Yeah, so very specific recycling categories. Today, oh yeah, 100 yen, so no change. And I think that's it for our tour today. One last look at the beverage selection. Got our coffee drinks, our cocoa over here. 2 kinds of lemon. There's like hot lemon tea or iced lemon beverage. I have Lipton and this energy drink. So yes, the wonders of Japanese vending machines. Hope you enjoyed.